So here it is. Here's the new studio. I am super excited to hear what you guys think about this. Really, the only difference between this setup and the old setup, one is the stuff behind me. And hopefully it just looks nice and tasteful and not like a mental health version of Applebee's, because that's definitely not the vibe I'm going for. The only other real difference in this setup is I'm a little farther away from the camera now. So you can also now see that I do possess a torso as well as a head and a neck, which I think gives me more legitimacy, probably. Audio and video should generally be the same. I'm not a huge fan of, and it's reversed now, or it's not reversed, I guess. So it's gonna take me some adjustment to point in the right direction. But as you can see, I'm not a huge fan of all this glare happening behind me on my book poster. I'm not really sure what to do about that. I did change my lighting setup a little bit. There's a photography professional that I work with, and she gave me some pointers on that. I'm sure she's going to chastise me about the reflections, though. So I just want to know what you guys think, and if you have any feedback for how I could improve this setup before I start recording longer pieces of content here, because I haven't done that yet. So yeah, just let me know what you think. I will try to get used to the mirrored setup. It's going to be tricky because here's what you might see from me in my first couple of videos. I get a little hyper aware, since I can see myself while I'm recording. I get a little hyper aware of my head tilt. I sometimes tilt my head while I'm talking, and I'll notice it, and then I'll try to untilt it. But since I'm mirrored, what might happen is I'll notice the tilt and I'll try to undo it and I'll go the wrong way and I'll end up like this. So if that happens in my first couple of videos, I apologize. There is a learning curve to this and I will get used to it. But if it wasn't inverted like that, all the stuff behind me would be backwards, and that would like completely defeat the point of having it there in the first place. Yeah, so I don't have a whole lot else to say about this. I just wanted to show it to you guys and see what you think. So let me know in the comments what you think about this setup, and I'll see if there's any tweaks or adjustments that need to be made. Thanks. Talk to you later.